Hello dear traders, here one more time Eric Munoz with you in Lion Bull Academy. Let's continue our course about Koyfin. As tutorial will be the second tutorial about Koyfin, and we're gonna talk about the market mover, the section market mover. What is this section? It's just visual representation of the movement of the stocks of the market. You can choose which market to see. Here we have the major American index, or the MSCE Canada. Then we have also, if we wanted, we have a holding from ETF. If we choose one specific ETF, we can see what is inside and how it's performing, or we can choose as watch list. Let's now explain in easy way what we can find in this page. So let's make a screenshot and explain each part. Okay, here you can choose the different kind of markets you want to see. Here you can see the visual representation of the movement of the market. If it's above the zero, it's an uptrend market, and if it's below the zero, it's a downtrend market. So everyone who is below the zero line, they are stocks in downtrend, and everyone what is above the zero line is stocks in uptrend. You can see here with more detail who are in an uptrend, and here with more detail who are in a downtrend. You can choose the pre-market, the market, or the post-market. Remember that will be available only the movement of the actual market. If we are in pre-market, we're going to see only pre-market. If we are in market, we're going to see only the market. And if we are in the post-market, we're going to see only the movement of the post-market. If we click in filter active, we can here we can choose a filter for filter the information in different sector. Let's now make example for you understand it. Let's say I choose the Nasdaq 100. We are now in the Nasdaq 100 in the actual market. We can see the 70 winners and 85 losers, so 17 in uptrend and 85 in downtrend. If we click sector filter, we can choose which companies, which sector to see. Let's say I want to go more deep in the industrial sector, so I click in industrials, and gonna show to me the companies inside of the Nasdaq 100 who are from the industrial sector. Here show to us that all the 6 inside of the Nasdaq 100 are in downtrend. Let's now clear all, and we can see again everyone. If I want to choose my watch list, let's say my portfolio, I click in my portfolio, and I now can see how it's performing in lifetime my portfolio with the different stock I own. We can see that almost all the stock I own at the moment are all in downtrend. Next, if you want to create your own watch list, you're gonna need to waiting for the next week video, because there we're gonna talking about the watch list, how to create them, how to configure them, and how to delete also the watch list you are not interested anymore. One of the more interesting part from this market mover window is that you can open different ETF and see how they perform separately each stock in lifetime. So really very useful information if you try to learning from some ETF, like the ARC. Let's say we want to find the ARC. Let's say this one. We now chose the ARC KK. Okay. Kiki, Kaka, something like that. Let's go now in the sector and see how is performing this ETF. Like you can see, the ETF have 50 of the stocks in this ETF are going downtrend and only 6 are going uptrend. If we was watching the pre-market, he's gonna show how was before start the market the movement, and in the post-market will show to us how it's going after the market close. You can use this tool exactly for follow different watch lists and find out more faster which stock are underperforming, or that you maybe are interested to buy them cheap. So just waiting that they start underperform for you can go in and buy them. It's just easy way to look in all the market without need to change pages. That's what do it this one. I normally like to have him open also in a separate window, in a separate screen, for have also one more detailed view in some sector that I am interested, or some ETF that I'm interested. So that was everything for today. If you like the video, please just click the like button and comment me down in the comments if you have some question. Next week we're gonna talking about my watch list, how to create a watch list, how to delete a watch list, how to add stocks, and all the information we can use from the watch list. So thank you one more time for looking the video, and see you next time. Ciao guys.